Did you get out?
Sorry, Farrah.
Yo, no, I can't.
Come here, puppy, come here.
It's okay, I'm there.
Yeah.
Why are they running? They're on. We know you work all the time.
Right there, right there. Look at the
Good thing, look. I'm trying to. Go over here now. Go over here.
Back there, bro.
Right in the trees. He's scared.
I just can't wait for the fall.
I see him, but I don't think I got him on camera.
Oh, they're going this way out.
He's in the bushes.
I don't want to
He's in those bushes
Like,
now.
seriously, what are you trying to fucking do, guys?
Look at those people in the window.
Look at
Can't get a clean shot, probably.
Don't take the shot. Don't take
I want a picture of it.
Oh.
That's what my mom really thinks I could, like, look. Everybody's in the windows looking.
This is gonna be on
Oh
Facebook.
my god, look at them over there.
Yeah, I know it's gonna be on Facebook. I'm gonna put it on Facebook.
It's gonna be like 4 different
Hey, these those people finally saw it.
sides.
Maybe.
They're probably solid bears.
See, they gotta bring.
I heard the shot.
Net.
Oh!
It's just a trank, guys.
Hey,
Calm
the
down.
news is actually going to take my Facebook.
This is a tranquilizer.
And put it on the news. Because they
You think that shit looks
that's what they are.
Society, they're gonna kill a bear?
Oh my god, if black footage gets on there?
They're trying to wait, that's the camera?
Yeah, it's on the news right now, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
We're like on the news, like say hi. What's up?
Alright, they have to bring it out to the mat eventually.
Well, it's still right there, dude. It's right there. That's where it fell.
Yeah, but I can't get through the tree.